In this video, we're going to continue understanding how we divide a whole number by a fraction. So if we have a problem like this that says divide 1 divided by 1/4, what does that equal? We're going to learn how to do this using a number line. So to divide 1 by 1/4, this means you separate one whole into equal parts of a quarter. So you would cut up one whole into quarters. And how many of those equal parts fit into one whole? So here is the one whole, and here it is cut up into equal parts of a quarter. Okay? So use a number line that is divided into quarters to help find the answer. So step 3 now. Count how many parts of a quarter there are. There's 1, there's 2, there's 3, there's 4. So when 1 is divided into parts of a quarter, there are 4 parts. So 1 divided by 1/4 equals 4. And that's how you do that problem. And don't worry if you don't understand it right away. There's nothing wrong with repetition. And also you could take a look in the description. There's other videos there that are similar to this if you need extra help. As well, download the ebook. In the ebook, you could follow along this exact lesson as you watch the video. Thank you so much for listening, and make sure to like and subscribe.